Hello, my name is Daichi. With the last two videos, we talked about tree function inside Photoshop CC, and we talked about how you can use it for architecture illustrations and photos. This time, I want to talk about concept art and stylized illustrations. The concept artists today have really tight schedules. So many concept artists use photos. So this is my concept art, and I want to add a tree here and another tree here. I could either find a good tree photos and copy it here, or I can use tree function inside Photoshop. So I'm going to make a new layer, and this time I want to use a path from here to here. Go to Edit, Fill, Pattern, Scripted Patterns, Tree. And this time I want to render a willow tree without leaves. I need the very dark branch colors. Move a little bit. And the atmosphere perspective should match with that background. So go to Image, Adjustment, Few Saturations. I want to add another tree on the center. Pattern, Scripted Patterns, Tree. This time I want to choose Pepper Tree. Move it to here. Make it a little smaller. Cut the bottom part. Match the atmosphere perspective. So this is an example for concept art. Another example is a stylized illustration. I made this inside Adobe Illustrator and imported it to Photoshop. I feel I need some trees here. I can either make them myself, or I can use tree function in Photoshop. So I made a new layer here and go to Edit, Fill, Patterns, Scripted Patterns, Tree. Obviously, the realistic trees won't fit on this illustration. So I'm going to check the flat shading leaves and flat shading branches. This time I'm gonna choose maple tree with leaves. So because I checked the flat shading, this is flatter than default, but I want it to be even more flat. So I'm going to adjust about like that. I want it to be a little more saturated. pretty good. Change the size, place it here. I already made another tree and background. So even for the stylized illustrations, you can use the tree functions. For the next video, I want to talk about other techniques that might be useful. Thank you for watching.